our sutra for this week is Sutra 142. Tatra sabda artha jnana vikolpai sankarna savitarka. The samadhi in which name, form, and knowledge of them is mixed is called savitarka samadhi, or samadhi with deliberation. Okay, so we remember back the four kinds of samadhi: samprajnata, savitarka, savichara, sa-ananda, and sa-asmita. In the sutra, he says that in savitarka samadhi, you can actually understand the sound, the meaning, and the resulting knowledge of an object. So normally when we walk in the world, we hear something, and all of these things happen at once. We hear it, we understand it, we start to identify with it. I know what that is, right? Because of the sound. A rose, it's a flower. I hear the word, the understanding is there. Then we fall into the subtler senses where now I smell it. Right? So the idea is that in this savitarka, we can begin to separate these pieces. So a great example of this that I think happens is, if you've ever been in a car accident or in a very traumatic moment, things literally go slow motion. You see every little detail. The capacity to separate these pieces of the moment. I see it, but that fraction of a second is now lasting much longer than it normally would. So the idea is that before we react to something, before we jump into something, we have that moment of hearing it, of taking it in, of truly processing it, of choosing where to put it before we react. And then when that reaction comes out, hopefully it's coming out from a wise, soulful space. But that all of this is still happening in the same amount of time, right? Fractions of seconds. And yet we're able to pull it in and slow those moments so that we really can consciously, soulfully choose how to react to something. That it isn't just this instinctive, pushing back or shutting in. Rajas or tamas, either way. No good. So, to be able to let this slow a bit and process before we react. It's a lovely idea. And, if you begin to put it into practice, just, the idea of taking a deep breath, taking a step back and taking a deep breath to let something process before reaction, it really does make a difference in the whole outcome of the situation. All right, Shanti.